What is up, guys? Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Stripe to PayPal. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in stripe.com, or you can simply type Stripe. After coming to the login or sign up page of Stripe, if you are new to Stripe, on the right side at the top, you will see the option of sign up. Simply sign up with your email, password, and other credentials to create your new Stripe account. But if you already have an account, on the right side at the top, you will see the option of dashboard or sign in. Simply click on that, and then you will be automatically redirected to the home page of Stripe. Now, after signing up or logging in, on the left side, you can see the option of balances. Click on this balances tab and this will open the overview of your balances. Now from here, click on add bank account and it will show you a pop-up of sending a verification code to your mail. Click on send verification and then paste the verification code which is sent to your mail. And after that, you just need to confirm your password that you have set. Now, after entering the password, you will see the option to add your bank account. But if you are not able to access that from here, you can click on settings and then click on businesses or business. After clicking on business, you just need to go to bank accounts and currencies. And after that, under the payout bank account section, you can see the option to add a bank account. Click on this and then a pop-up window will appear to again verify your email address. And when you verify your email address, just simply enter all your PayPal details, and this is how you will be able to withdraw money from Stripe to PayPal. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.